I'm Diane. This STEM spot will focus on kinetic energy and potential energy. If an object is moving, it has kinetic energy. If an object is sitting at the top of a ramp, which we'll demonstrate in this experiment, it has potential energy. That means that if you let the object go, it will move. Now, for toddlers and preschoolers, it's not necessary to use the terms kinetic and potential energy. Toddlers and preschoolers can begin to understand the concept by the visual that we have here without using those big words. However, if you would like to introduce your toddler or preschooler to those words, that's perfectly fine. Okay, let's get started. Let me introduce you to Quacks and Captain Waddles. Neither of them are moving. They have no energy to expend. Now let's look at the two ramps we have set up. What do they have in common? Well, they're the same length. However, the back one is slightly higher than the front one. It has a slightly higher incline, and that's very important for this kind of experiment. Let's walk each duck up to the top of a ramp. Okay, so we have Captain Waddles in the front and Quackers in the back. Now ask your toddlers and preschoolers, which duck do you think will go faster and reach the bottom of the ramp first? Let's observe. Okay, it looks like Quackers is in the lead for most of the race. If you guessed Quackers, you were right. Quackers reached the bottom first because he had more energy to use up because he was at a slightly higher incline. In closing, I'd like to emphasize an important point. There are different variations of this experiment that you can do at home. Make a ramp of whatever materials you find around the house. You could use a piece of cardboard, a box, a board. You can even use train tracks if you have a train table at home. Put the ramp on an incline and experiment with the different heights. You can also use balls or race cars to race down. More often than not, STEM experiments can be done at home with little or no cost. Let the learning begin.